I think we are mindful about not serving fish that has a limited population. And so we're very careful to make sure that, we are serving and cooking seafood that is plentiful. And we have, the best sources available to us. So we're particularly, I would say, we're particularly snobby about the kind of seafood that we serve, and we're also, concerned about the fishing population and what's happening in our waters and our oceans, and so we want to be mindful, really mindful of that. We don't want to be a contributor. We want to, solve the problem, not be part of the problem.